Today, we live in a dynamic world surrounded by almost endless amounts of information. Earlier, technology in education was a debatable topic amongst the society. Everyone had their own views on modernizing education and making it technology aided.
This is mind map here. How do I?
So you see,
how do I draw this mind map on?
We have this software NovoMind.
Okay.
This is for the mind map making.
Okay.
See, earlier days we used to make mind map in our hand. Now we can use the app. You can use the application for making the mind.
However, today it is a well-known fact that children must be able to use technology to be competitive in the workplace after graduation.
Can we live without it? Is it possible for us to think of a life completely without technology? Historically, think about it. Initially, we had radio coming in. From radio, we moved into television. From television to telephone. From telephone to internet. To higher definition television. Mobiles. And what next is going to come is something very difficult for most of us to predict.
But I tell you something, no matter how far you progress in technology, in the future there will be no physical schools as such. And no matter how much we progress in technology, but we can never compromise on our values. It's something
values.
that will never happen.
So we have to keep a balance of values and the technology. Right. So in the future the classes can happen through Skype, through web, and
all the video
it will be a virtual classroom.
Yes,
Video conferencing, like meetings can be held through technology, right? So this is very helpful, but we need to understand the pros and cons for that.
Right.
There will be no barriers as such. The entire world will be one big classroom.
We at Atul Vidyalaya have moved into this sphere of equipping our students to use digital technologies, communication and networking tools and social media networks appropriately to access, manage, integrate, evaluate and create information to successfully function in the dynamic knowledge economy.
Technology to reduce weight of my bag.
To make my learning fun and entertaining. To keep me connected.
Do my homework fun and easy.
Whether we appreciate it, like it or not, Facebook, Google, Uber, Ola, Alibaba are all part of the technological ecosystem we have in the world today.
However, before we as an educational institution can equip our students for this, we found it essential to equip our educators
to travel into the virtual world. Something like, say, virtual labs.
Yes, I have something to say. When I got initiated to computers, I never thought that I will be a comfortable user, because world then was in the the computers were running on DOS.
Yes.
Okay. Right. One has to remember so many commands. And for me, it was a hell of a time even viewing the letters, because those font size was so small. Okay. But then thanks to Windows and GUI, I'm able to comfortably use computer.
For this purpose, we have collaborated with Microsoft and our teachers took part in their Microsoft Innovative Educator programs, and eventually our school was nominated as one of the Microsoft Showcase Schools.
The selected showcase schools get an opportunity to collaborate and engage with Microsoft Showcase schools around the world in order to learn best practices for transforming schools through technology.
Yet, we do not stop here. Our expectations move far beyond this realm. We want technology to enhance our teaching learning skills at all times.
To provide hassle-free online assessment, special children to learn concept in a better way.
हिंदी भाषा और अन्य भाषाओं में टाइपिंग में सरलता हो.
In setting up daily administrative schedule.
Can we avoid it? Then we'll have to live in the dark ages. Can we confront it? It's for sure we are going to fail confronting it and trying to win as old-fashioned educated.
One day I'll become a native, digital native. Okay, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन.
Oh, that's great.
That's great.
We want technology in education because we are the future of the digital world.